Come to work with me as a concrete pump operator. Here I am, arriving on site near Histon in Cambridge. Today's job is pumping concrete into some retaining walls around a swimming pool. Time to set up the pump, get the outriggers out and place the pads down. The pump's set up, now time to get the boom in the air. Let's attach the 5-to-4 reducer. And now the 4-inch end hose. Here I'm mixing up a bucket of grout. The grout is used to line the pipes before the first bit of concrete gets pumped. It will hopefully prevent any blockages. When pumping into retaining walls, they need to be slowly filled up bit by bit. This pool has 3 internal steps. They also need pouring bit by bit. That is all of the walls and steps now full. Now it's time to clean the boom. The pump gets put on reverse. I then offer a 5-inch foam ball to the end of the boom, and that gets sucked up through the boom. That's followed by a bucket of water. And then another 5-inch foam ball. Let's check the balls have gone all the way through. There they are, lovely job. Time to clean the hopper. This is the messy part of the job. And this is the finished job. The customer has done a good job of this. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, or follow if you want to see more concrete pumping videos. Up the pumping.